curse has been cast across the land, destroying all good magic forever. But hope might not be completely lost. The very rare blood moon provides a once in 500-year opportunity to rid the curse and restore good magic back to its rightful place.
However, it won't be easy. And if you fail, you'll be mine forever.
Your event manager will deliver the briefing via a virtual meeting link, and of course will be online for the entire event to offer any live support that you may need. You'll head out into the local area using our interactive map and GPS hotspots as you try to relocate your magical items, learn spells and use potions to help you and your team escape all 3 levels of the enchantment before the clock runs out.
What do you seek? Where are you going? What do you do and who have you seen?
At the end of the game, you'll join your event manager back online via the same virtual meeting link. There you'll have a chance to debrief, take a look at the best photos and videos from the game, and of course crown the winning team. Time is of the essence because that blood moon will not last for long. Can you save good magic before it's lost forever?